Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta new style. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then add pasta and stir to prevent sticking. Use a splash of olive oil and reserve 1 cup of pasta water before draining. Toss pasta with sauce over low heat, adding water for the perfect silky texture, and finish with grated cheese, herbs, and a squeeze of lemon. Let me walk you through sauce techniques that elevate simple pasta into a restaurant-style dish. Emulsifying sauce with reserved pasta water creates a glossy coating that clings to each strand. Finish bright tomato or lemon sauces with a pinch of sugar to balance acidity and swirl in cold butter at the end to add silkiness. These small steps transform texture and flavor, making every bite more satisfying and restaurant-worthy. Try simple creative add-ins to make pasta feel new and exciting. Toasted breadcrumbs provide a crunchy contrast that lifts the dish, while lemon zest and a splash of cream brighten and smooth sauces. Roasted vegetables or quick pan-seared proteins bring depth and balance, turning pasta into a complete meal. These approachable tweaks let you customize texture and flavor easily, keeping pasta fresh and interesting week after week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.